What's up, boys? Today got a couple projects, mostly focused on this guy right here. I'll show you everything up at the house, but this is my 01 GP1200r. It's freaking clean, but bought it for cheap and it needed a crank, so I pulled the motor. The motor's up in the house, and I just got my new crank today, so we're gonna get this thing hopefully back together today. That's the goal. XP, I had to pull the carburetors off that because the notorious gray lines on the Sea-Doos freaking completely gummed up the carburetors. So I gotta work on that later too. But anyway, stay tuned. There it is, dude. Fresh rebuilt carburetors. There's my new cases. So I end up pulling this motor, and I had to get new cases because this freaking some dummy JB welded it real bad. And check this out. A lot of play in the crankshaft on this side. There's metal all down in there. See all that nasty metallic in there. But I gotta pull this motor apart. I gotta pull the flywheel off. Put this crank in this box. But currently, this is my gaskets. I got a puller, full gasket set, and down here, brand new crankshaft. That's sweet, dude. But all right, let's get this thing going. Alright, I got these cases split, so you can see all that metal in there. This right here is shot, so you can see the metal in the bearings. But no, this bottom case isn't bad, but this one's got that big old hole right there. That piece broke off. So I don't know who JB welded it and ran it, but now the crank's blown. But I'm gonna get that crank out. I gotta take all these circle clips out. That's what I needed. Then we can start putting everything back into these cases. Hell yeah. All right, so I got this crank completely out. It's obviously shot. Other cylinders are good though, so not sure what happened. I already went through the carburetors. It was getting oil, so just wear, I guess. But I gotta pull all these, are just sitting on there. Pull those cases apart, put my new crank in, put this crank back in the box, send it out. But we'll get started on that. Here it is, dudes. That brand new crank, dude. I've heard some bad things about SBT, so let's hope that doesn't happen with this crank. But that's why I didn't go with the full motor, because of the SBT stuff. So maybe the cranks are tight, dude. Got those new wrist pins, but I got those in my new piston kit as well. But got everything greased up a little bit. About to set this in there, dude. Everything's looking good so far. All right, got this new crank in, dude. I gotta wait for the RTV to dry fully so I can torque everything down. It is 3:14 until the morning. Put my heads on, carburetors, flywheel, PTO coupler, and she's going back in, dude. Then I just gotta work on the exhaust. So, hey, catch you in the morning. We're back, dude. RTV, dry. About to torque everything down. Carburetors, heads. We're ready, dude. It's morning. It's a beautiful day. I plan on having this thing running today, dude. Today. Hell yeah. So I ended up getting some used cylinders. This is one of the bad ones, but I had to change around all these power valve things, all these power valve actuators. So the cable movement part is on this far end. But now we're pretty much ready to put the pistons in and put all the cylinders on. Alright, got the heads on, got them torqued down, got a little oil in the cylinders. Everything's spinning fine, dude. I think I'm gonna put the carburetors on, then the heads, and we're good to go. Check it out, dudes. Carburetors, stator magneto, heads, everything's good, dude. Everything's spinning good. I'm excited, dude. I gotta go. I'm gonna go back and grab that GP, and I'm gonna this hoist, motor on the hoist, and get that thing in, dude. See what happens. Rowdy. Ah, there it is, dude. Motor's in. I gotta pick the motor mounts up. Electronics. Alright. Update time, dude. Alright. So, exhaust in. Gotta go get spark plugs. Gotta get the electrical box in. And then we're freaking golden, dude. Everything's looking good. It's time, dude. It's time. Everything is back in. Got a battery in it. She is turning over. I don't have any plugs in it right now. Trying to get the oil system bled. Gauges are working and everything. So, this is the first time I've ever seen this thing do anything, so we'll see what happens.
Sounds good. Sounds solid.
All right, so there it is. Full rebuilt GP1200. I'm gonna take it down to the creek and let it idle in the water a little bit because I don't have this water fitting. But we'll go down there. All right. She's running. I gotta break it in a little bit. It was on premix. I put the oil pump back on it, so I gotta run that most of that premix out. So we're gonna be smoky. She runs mint though. God dang, boys, rowdy. I'll make a video on it soon.